One car, one traveler, and endless horizons. So, hey guys, this is my solo journey from Chennai to Bangalore through vast expressway, winding forest roads, and raw mountain landscape scattered with giant rock and kissed by perfect weather.
Grinding gears where dreams
Every turn revealed a new frame of nature, artistry.
can't elapse. Buzz of machines screaming the truth.
A visual escape for those who crave the road,
Slow motion loops.
the silence, and the wild beauty of
Sparks in a world
South India.
gone gray. Wires tangle whispers of disarray.
So, turn up the volume, sit back, and let the road tell the
Fingers
story.
on strings, pulling the thread.
If you love road trips, nature, and a bit of peaceful solo travel energy, this one is for you.
Every spark hiding what we're
Come
seeking.
along for the
In
ride
this
and vibe
world
with
of
me.
chaos, no time for speaking. Bars of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops. Chasing the sparks in a world gone gray. Wires tangle whispers of disarray.
So, this is it. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you are into chilling travel content.